Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's a reality for many savvy individuals who've tapped into the power of passive income. This intriguing concept is all about generating a steady flow of income without the need for constant effort or active involvement. It's like setting a money-making machine on autopilot. Now, who wouldn't want that? While the idea of earning money without lifting a finger might seem too good to be true, it's not a fairy tale. It's a financial strategy used by many successful people across the globe. They're living proof that it's possible to break free from the typical 9-to-5 grind. In this video, we'll delve into the captivating world of passive income. We'll highlight its allure, and most importantly, we'll explore 9 mind-blowing passive income strategies that work. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your financial journey, stay tuned. First things first, what is passive income? Picture this: you're lounging on a beach sipping a cool drink, and yet your bank account balance is steadily climbing. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the allure of passive income. It's money earned with minimal to no daily effort, making your income less tied to the hours you put in at work. Now let's contrast this with active income. Active income is what you earn from trading your time for money. Think of your 9-to-5 job, overtime hours, or freelance gigs. You're actively involved, and the moment you stop working, the income ceases. On the other hand, passive income continues to flow in, even when you're not actively working. It's like having a golden goose laying eggs around the clock. The golden goose could be an investment, a business, or a side hustle you've set up that doesn't require your constant attention. One of the key reasons passive income is an attractive financial goal is because it offers a sense of financial security. It's a safety net that cushions you against life's unexpected turns. Getting laid off your job or facing a medical emergency can be less daunting when you have a steady stream of passive income. Moreover, passive income can help accelerate your journey to financial freedom. It's like having an army of dollar bills working tirelessly for you, day and night. The more passive income streams you create, the faster you can reach your financial goals, whether that's early retirement, buying your dream home, or traveling the world. It's important to note, though, that passive income often requires substantial upfront effort or investment. It's not about getting rich quick, but about planting seeds today that will yield a plentiful harvest in the future. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's delve into its benefits. Whether you're an entrepreneur seeking financial independence or someone looking to make their money work harder, understanding passive income can be a game changer. So, stick around as we explore the exciting world of earning money while you sleep. Passive income offers numerous benefits. It's like having an army of miniature green soldiers working for you, tirelessly, day and night. The first and most enticing benefit is financial freedom. With passive income, you're not trading hours for dollars. Instead, you're building systems or investing in assets that continue to pay you even when you're not actively working. This leads us to the second benefit: flexibility. Passive income gives you the freedom to choose how and when you want to work. Want to take a month-long vacation? No problem, your income doesn't stop when you do. The third benefit is scalability. Unlike a 9-to-5 job where your income is capped by the number of hours you can work, passive income has no such limits. As you create more income streams or as your investments grow, so does your income. So, are you ready to start building your wealth while you sleep? Now, let's talk about real estate, one of the most popular passive income strategies. Real estate has long been a go-to investment for those looking to build wealth. It's a tangible asset, something you can touch, see, and even live in. But it's also a proven avenue for generating passive income. Let's break down the concept of real estate investment. In its simplest form, it involves purchasing property and then making a profit from it, usually through renting it out or selling it at a higher price. But, as with everything in life, the devil is in the details. There are countless ways to invest in real estate, each with its own set of risks and rewards. One of the most traditional methods is through rental properties. You buy a property, you find tenants, and those tenants pay you rent. This can be a great way to generate consistent monthly income. However, it requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing maintenance. But the beauty of this approach is that it can be as hands-on or hands-off as you want it to be. You can choose to manage the properties yourself, or hire a property management company to handle it for you. But what if you're keen on real estate, but don't have the substantial capital needed for direct ownership? That's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come in. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Think of them as mutual funds for real estate. You can buy shares in a REIT, and in return, you receive a share of the income produced by the real estate investments. It's a way to get into real estate without having to buy a physical property. And then there's crowdfunding, a relatively new player in the real estate investment game. Crowdfunding platforms pool money from multiple investors to fund real estate projects. It's an exciting way to get involved in larger-scale properties or developments that would be out of reach for an individual investor. So, whether you're a hands-on investor who enjoys the thrill of flipping houses, or someone who prefers the hands-off approach of REITs and crowdfunding, real estate offers a variety of ways to earn passive income. Next, we'll discuss another passive income strategy, dividend investing. Stock market offers another exciting passive income opportunity, dividend investing. This strategy revolves around buying shares in companies that distribute dividends. These dividends are essentially a portion of the company's profits, shared with investors. It's like getting a slice of the earnings pie, just for holding on to the company's stock. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income, and the beauty of it is, you can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, setting up a compounding profit cycle. Some companies have a long history of not just paying dividends, but increasing them over time, creating a growing income stream. Starting with dividend investing can be as simple as opening a brokerage account, researching dividend-paying companies, and buying shares. And remember, the key here is patience and consistency. It's not about making a quick buck, but about growing your wealth over the long term. Now let's shift gears and talk about creating digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products can be a goldmine. With the right idea and a touch of creativity, you can develop a product that generates income while you sleep. But what exactly are digital products? Digital products are any goods that are stored, delivered, and used in an electronic format. These are products that customers can download to their device or access online. Think ebooks, music or sound files, online courses, software, graphics, and so much more. The beauty of digital products is that they require no physical inventory, making them cost-effective to produce and sell. Once you've created your product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional production cost. Now, where do you sell these digital products? There are numerous platforms available, from setting up your own website to using established online marketplaces. Websites like Etsy, Amazon, and Teachable are popular choices for selling things like ebooks, courses, and other digital goods. But creating a successful digital product isn't just about crafting something and throwing it online. It's crucial to make sure your product offers value to your customers. It should solve a problem, teach a skill, or provide entertainment. Spend time researching your target market, identifying their needs and preferences, and then create a product that meets those needs. And remember, presentation is key. High-quality images, compelling descriptions, and positive reviews can significantly boost your product's appeal. Also, consider offering a sneak peek or a free trial to give customers a taste of what they'll get. Finally, don't forget about marketing. Even the best product won't sell if people don't know about it. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and SEO techniques to draw attention to your product and drive sales. So, are you ready to dive into the world of digital products? With a bit of creativity, some market research, and a dash of marketing savvy, you could be well on your way to generating a steady stream of passive income. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative passive income stream. Picture this: you recommend a product or service to your audience, and when they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. This strategy is particularly effective if you already have a platform like a blog or a YouTube channel. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own product or service. Instead, you promote someone else's product and get paid for it. But remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from promoting products that align with your audience's interests and needs. So choose your affiliate programs wisely. Look for high-quality products or services, reliable companies, and generous commission rates. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once you've set it up, it can generate income around the clock. You could be earning money while you sleep. Moving on, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer yet another interesting passive income opportunity. Imagine a world where you are the bank, lending out your money to individuals or small businesses in return for a healthy interest rate. That's exactly what peer-to-peer lending is all about. These platforms create a space where borrowers meet lenders, cutting out the traditional banking middleman. As a lender, you can choose who to lend to and at what interest rate, providing a degree of control over your investments. But like any investment, peer-to-peer lending isn't without its risks. Borrowers may default on their loans, and your investment isn't insured like a traditional bank deposit. However, many platforms try to mitigate these risks by diversifying your investment across multiple loans and using strict borrower criteria. The potential for higher returns than traditional savings accounts, coupled with the satisfaction of helping others achieve their dreams, makes peer-to-peer lending a compelling strategy for passive income. Now let's explore how YouTube can generate passive income. Ever thought of making money from your YouTube channel? It's possible. There's more to YouTube than meets the eye. It's not just a platform for sharing videos, it's a goldmine for generating passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, all thanks to the content you've created. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's how it works. YouTube offers various monetization options including ad revenue, channel memberships, and YouTube Premium revenue. But that's not all. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing can further boost your income. So, how do you grow a successful YouTube channel? Consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content that resonates with your audience is paramount. Engage with your viewers, respond to their comments, and listen to their feedback. Remember, it's all about building a community around your channel. But remember, like any passive income strategy, it takes time and effort to see substantial results, so stay patient and keep creating. Last but not least, let's discuss high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Traditional savings vehicles can also play a role in generating passive income. Enter high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, commonly known as CDs. These are not your run-of-the-mill savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than ordinary savings accounts, meaning your money works harder for you around the clock. Then we have CDs. These are time-bound savings accounts with a fixed interest rate. You agree to leave your money untouched for a certain period, and in return, you receive interest. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate you earn. Both high-yield savings accounts and CDs are considered safe investments, as they are often insured by the federal government. So, while they may not be as exciting or fast-paced as some of the other strategies we've discussed, they offer a steady and reliable way to grow your wealth over time. That's it. Those are the 9 passive income strategies that can help you earn money while you sleep. To recap, today we've explored 9 mind-blowing passive income strategies. We've dipped our toes into the ocean of possibilities that passive income provides. We've seen the allure of real estate investment, from rental properties to real estate investment trusts and crowdfunding platforms. We've delved into the world of dividend investing and how owning a portion of a company can provide steady income. We've touched on the creation of digital products, the potential of affiliate marketing, and the promise of peer-to-peer lending platforms. We've also highlighted how a YouTube channel can be monetized and how traditional savings vehicles like high-yield savings accounts and CDs can contribute to your passive income. Each of these strategies offers a path to earning money while you sleep, giving you the financial freedom and flexibility you crave. Explore these passive income opportunities and take a step towards financial independence. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. If you found this video informative, don't forget to show your support. A simple like, share, or subscribe can go a long way. It helps us continue to bring you content that can change the way you think about your income and financial freedom. Dive deeper into the world of passive income with the resources and additional content we've linked below. You're one step closer to earning while you sleep, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning, keep